This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up your new Galaxy Watch 6 Classic. First, charge your watch for approximately 30 minutes, ensuring it reaches at least 80% battery. Power on your watch by holding the home key until the Samsung logo appears, then open the Galaxy Wearable app on your smartphone. The app will automatically detect your watch. Simply follow the on-screen prompts to confirm pairing and complete the initial setup. Now that your watch is paired, let's personalize it. You can choose from hundreds of watch faces in the Galaxy Wearable app, making your watch uniquely yours. Arrange your app drawer and customize your quick panel, putting essential settings just a tap away. Fine-tune your notification preferences, ensuring you only receive alerts that truly matter to you, keeping distractions to a minimum. Your Galaxy Watch 6 Classic is a powerful health companion. Start by inputting your basic health details, like your height and weight, into the Samsung Health app for accurate tracking. Enable continuous heart rate monitoring and set personalized daily step goals to stay active and informed. The watch can also track your sleep patterns, offering valuable insights into your rest, helping you achieve a healthier lifestyle. To get the most from your Galaxy Watch 6 Classic, consider optimizing its battery life by adjusting settings and screen brightness. Explore the intuitive gesture controls, like shaking your wrist to dismiss an alarm, for added convenience. You can also discover and download hundreds of new applications directly from the Google Play Store on your wrist. Remember to periodically check for software updates, ensuring your watch always has the latest features and security enhancements.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.